murder trial of a Duxbury mother accused of killing her 3 young children is now underway in Plymouth Superior Court. Jury selection began today and the case is expected to last several weeks.
Lindsay Clancy has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of first-degree murder in the 2023 deaths of her children. WBZ's Kristina Rex is at the courthouse where 5 jurors were seated today. And Kristina, based on what happened today, it seems this could take a while.
Oh, absolutely, Courtney and Lisa. I actually heard multiple women tell the judge they didn't feel like they could be an impartial juror on this case because they're mothers, and they said it would just be too hard to listen to the testimony and the evidence. One woman actually left jury selection in tears.
The jury up.
And that marks the official start to Lindsay Clancy's triple murder trial as lawyers and the judge work to seat an 18-person jury in this disturbing case. Clancy is accused of deliberately killing her 3 children in January 2023 by strangling them. Her lawyer plans to argue she did so because of overmedication and postpartum psychosis, but he could be forced to do so without some expert witnesses after he added them to his witness list just this month.
Defense counsel is an experienced attorney who understands the rules, and by providing these names at this last minute, a week and a half before trial, was a strategic and intentional act to surprise us with these witnesses and not allow us to be prepared for them.
The judge excluded some defense experts for now, but says that could change. During day 1 of jury selection, over 100 people showed up to the courthouse for jury duty. Around 55 were questioned by the judge, and 5 were seated on the jury, 2 men and 3 women.
Wow.
Okay, why wow?
Well, I think if you're only seating 5 people out of 55, it's giving you an indication of how hard it is to find a juror that can listen to this case impartially.
The judge asked each prospective juror first about scheduling. Many people were excused because they could not commit to the 8 weeks expected for this case. They were also asked by the judge if they understand that Lindsay Clancy does not have to testify, if they can be fair and impartial, and if they can treat all witnesses the same, like police and lay witnesses. Several women were excused from the jury who spoke out loud about being a mother and how hard it would be to listen to the evidence.
That is going to touch a chord with many, many people. And that is going to make it harder, too, for somebody to sit through the evidence and hear some of these very gruesome and traumatic details about how these children died.
And the goal for this trial is to seat 18 jurors, meaning that 13 jurors still need to be found and seated. Ultimately, at the end of the day, just 12 people will deliberate whether Lindsay Clancy is guilty of these crimes. Jury selection is expected to continue through at least Wednesday of this week. Live in Plymouth, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Thank you, Kristina.